Hello everyone, I am Nyakim Deng. This is Naath Global News. Headline: Kiir dismisses key Machar allies in government, power-sharing deal in jeopardy. South Sudan's President Salva Kiir has removed several top allies of his rival, First Vice President Riek Machar, from key government positions, a move sparking fresh doubts about the 2018 peace agreement that ended 5 years of civil war. The late-night decree, aired Wednesday on the state broadcaster, announced the dismissal of Deputy Minister of Finance Bech Georgeniak, replaced by Yen Chan Ruwei, along with multiple SPLM-IO members from the National Assembly and the Council of States. The changes come just a day after the African Union urged renewed commitment to elections and inclusive dialogue. The 2018 peace deal created a unity government to draft a permanent constitution, unify forces, and prepare for elections. But tensions have mounted in recent months. Machar has been under house arrest since March, accused of involvement in violence in Nasir County, allegations his supporters call politically motivated. His party has since split, with some members aligning with Kiir and others remaining loyal under acting chairman Oyet Nathaniel. In the National Assembly, Kiir revoked the appointment of Nathaniel Oyet Piarino as first deputy speaker, along with 4 other members, replacing them with new appointees. In the Council of States, Speaker Deng Deng Akon and Chief Whip Matata Frank Elikana were replaced by Daniel Akit Akit and Peter Wani Elia Kalang. Ousted lawmaker Jual Nungek Daniel told Radio Tamazuj the move was expected after his criticism of Speaker Gemma Nunu Kumba, warning that dissenting voices are being silenced. "They might arrest me, but that will not change anything," Nungek said. "My fight is for the grassroots, the people who helped liberate this country but have been forgotten." Senior SPLM-IO figure Joseph Malwaldong accused Kiir of abandoning the peace process. "If he doesn't want peace, we will decide our next steps." Analysts say the shakeup could deepen mistrust ahead of planned elections, further testing South Sudan's fragile unity government. For Naath Global News, I'm Nyakim Deng. Stay tuned for updates. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our news channel.